What is up, everyone? Another destination trading day. So, as you can see here, this is 22nd June 2023. It's 9:26 a.m. in the morning. Banknifty has opened in a 15-point gap up, and it tried to move to the upside, and also it tried to break below 43,795, and now it is standing above 43,900, which means if the yesterday's high, that is at 43,946, if that is broken, then we can expect it to move till 43,971, and if that is not broken, then again we will see Bank Nifty coming down to 43,795. Since the opening itself is on a consolidation, we will see a consolidation kind of movement, and then it will make a range shift towards the upside, or it will make a range shift towards a downside, is what I believe is going to happen. So above 43,971 is where the important psychological resistance of 44,000 exists. So if 44,000 is broken, then we will probably see a massive upward movement. If that is not broken, then again from 44,000 we will see a movement like this. But there are high chances that the premium of this week, okay, anyways, it's an expiry day for the next week, ATM also can erode as well. So be careful with the trades that you take. Sorry, so what I feel is put is trying to build up in 44,000, which means there are high chances that Bank Nifty can move up. But again, since Bank Nifty is taking a stop around this level, there can be a chance that it can fall down from 43,971. So if this is engulfed and the high of 43,929 is broken, then we can see Bank Nifty moving further down to 43,900, 43,850 and 800. So we'll have to be very careful when we take this trade, because there are high chances that 44,000 will be broken today in the first half. So we'll properly see where Bank Nifty goes, and we'll take the call accordingly. We have to be careful as this high of 43,930 is not broken. Okay, so we can see that it is getting broken. So my buy was around 218, but it's almost closed, and I feel we will go for a buy at 43,800 on 220. We'll see. And there's an evening star as well, so wouldn't be a problem. This is the last 1 minute of this candle, so we'll have to be very careful with this, as most of the time this can reverse at this point, which is above 43,971. We have to be careful with it. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll go for a buy at 900 quantities here. Just wait for another 30 seconds, so that we'll see where the next candle opens, and we'll take the call accordingly. If this candle is not being engulfed, then we can go for a buy at 220. So I'm gonna go buy at this candle. Yes. So we have bought 43,800 PE at 224.28. Now we'll wait. So I'll probably add another 400 quantities to the trade, as I'm seeing some weakness from this level. So okay, I was planning to average the 260, now it is 220. So now we'll wait for some more correction, and then we'll go for a buy. I think that's the best, because we'll get in a lower price. What I feel is this will make a move like this if 44,000 is not broken. So that's the idea that I have in mind. Yes, we'll average this is another 400 quantities. 216.95. Yes, I hope. Okay, so our order was at 218.34, which was not that great. I was planning for 216.95, but again, happens. 218.34. So this is what we have right now. We have the 1300 quantities now. We'll see. The weakness should start from this level, and looking at OI, 44,000 is holding up. Call is holding up in 44,000, and it is modified. So we will see a further downward movement is what I believe. Let's see. You can see here Bank Nifty has taken the turn towards the lower side from 960, 43,960, and it is around 43,908, and the next candle has opened at 905. So it is going to be a bit bullish, so that it can go much more bearish. So this is our PNL. Looks like it has gone up to almost 15,000 or 16,000. I haven't booked there because this has the potential to go above 245, 240, 245. So looking at OI, we can see that call is trying to go over put, as the ratio was not this great before. So let's see where Bank Nifty is going. Probably we will book some really good profits today is what I think, because we have 1300 quantities, and we'll have to be very careful as well. But I'm sure if Bank Nifty is falling down, then we'll make good profits today. Yeah, so 15,600, 15,17. Okay. We'll see where this is going, and then we'll plan our trades. We'll plan our exit accordingly. God, this is how our PNL looks like. It has gone down to negative 26,000 just like yesterday. So I was away from the screen for just like 2 minutes, and this happened. I would have averaged at 204 with another 900 quantities, so that we could have made a good amount of money by now. But I just missed it right there. So yeah. Let's see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty, as it was a bummer. Okay. Now this is going to be a solid movement if it goes above 43,971. Let's just look into open interest. Looking into open interest, yeah, put is building up much higher. Put is building up much in 43,900, which means we will see some bullishness in the asset. So we will do one thing. We will average this with another 300 quantities. Yes. So we have averaged with another 300 quantities at 214. My buy price was 204, but I missed it because I was away from the screen. So yeah, let's see. So 220.99 is our break even now. Let's see what is going to happen. Looking at the market, 1600 quantities is what we have at the moment. So this is how our PNL looks like right now. Looking at the fall, we can expect it to go down till 43,800. This is all about the idea of waiting in options, if you have the right mindset for trade. So yeah, let's just wait for this to cross 54, 53k, then we'll book our profits and be done for the day. Okay, I think this candle will be filled and it will reach 43,820 once more, so that we can book our profits. So there is this good put-OI build up at 43,800, which means there can be reversal from that level. So we'll just wait for some time and then book our profits is what I believe is the best option. So if booking above 50k, that means I'm booking almost 1:2 RR, because the maximum lows it has gone up is around 25,000, 26,000, which is decent. So let's see. Bank Nifty is holding up. It's trying to hold up, but yeah. So we will book our profits at 253, 900 at 253, and another 900 at 253. Yes. Another 700 at 253. So yeah, we have 43,800 PE ready to be triggered at 253. We'll probably see it getting triggered now itself. 253, it's not touching 253. The maximum it comes up is 250. Okay, we have got it triggered and we have booked 51,220 rupees as our profits today. The overall this thing was, I guess, okay, it was 220. So we have booked almost 33 points in Bank Nifty, which is decent, which is great, and the amount that I have deployed, I'm not sure how much it was. Okay, the buy value was 3,53,000. So we have booked almost 18% of the capital that we have deployed, and yes, well and good for the day. So this is what happens if you know exact price action, and what this is precisely why I am a price action trader who is very much confident about the market. I stick on to very nominal profits, even though the trade has a potential to take around 1 to 2 lakhs also. I would stick on to my profits and my targets, my targets and my stop losses, and that's why I have a higher winning chance. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Bye.